Hello friends, welcome to Easy Cooking. Today we'll be making brown chana, which is brown chickpea. I have them right here. You have to soak them for about 4 to 6 hours. And once they are soaked, you have to put them in the pressure cooker and cook them for 3 to 4 whistles. And then they will look just like this. So these are boiled brown chana, boiled brown chickpeas. So we'll be making that today. And I do have, we'll turn on the gas first. I'm going to put it on low flame, and I do have 4 big spoons of oil, which I'm going to pour it in the tawa. And we'll be putting in some ginger. I do have some crushed ginger and garlic paste in here. So I'm putting it more, but you can always put less. It's up to your taste. I may save this much, I guess. Okay. I'm going to increase the flame a little, close to medium now. Okay, and we can start adding the dry masalas. I'm putting in about 1/4 spoon, this spoon right here, of turmeric powder. 1/4 spoon of coriander powder, maybe a little bit more. Okay, 1/4 spoon of garam masala. I would say about little less than 1/2 spoon of red chili powder. Mix it again. Okay, looks like it's time for us to add our tomatoes and onions. So I did chop 1 big onion and 1/2 a tomato. You can add more or less. You can also skip it. If you do not eat garlic, ginger, onions, you can definitely skip it. And about 3/4 spoon of salt, but as I always say, salt as per your taste. So if you prefer less or more, do it that way. Now we are going to leave our vegetables in the tawa at medium flame to be cooked. For next 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, it's been more than 5 minutes now, so let's check. Oh, it's nicely done. And now we can put our chana in it. I do have one main ingredient that we are going to put it after the chana that do give a nice taste, like more flavor. Here I have Chana Masala, about 3/4 spoon. It does give a good flavor. You can add more or less. If you don't have it, you can definitely skip it. If you want to make more gravy, I do like to make more gravy, so I saved some water that I used for boiling the chana. It's full of proteins and I saved it in a glass. You can do the same if you want more gravy. Okay, now we can leave it on the medium flame for the next 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm going to cover it again with the lid. Okay, it's been a good amount of time. I think we'll check again, and it does look like it's ready. I'm going to pour it in a serving bowl. It does taste really good with rice and roti, so you can try it with either one. I'm going to put some gravy. Okay, so our chana masala or our brown chickpea, it's ready to be served. You can eat with rice or roti, as I said. Please like it and share it. Thank you for watching the video.